Hey everyone, it's Borg Brain coming at you with an educational blockchain video. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, be safe out there, and have fun. And this is, as always, for Crypto Society. So give a like, give a follow, find us on Telegram, and all that. So this video will be concerning Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is basically a side chain of Ethereum that Binance has built, and it's a fairly new ecosystem. There's a sort of a Uniswap fork called PancakeSwap. The reason why you might want to play around with Binance Smart Chain is the same reason why you might want to play around with Matic or IOST or insert other side chain of Ethereum, XDAI and whatever. Uh, the side chains of Ethereum have much, much, much lower gas costs. So, uh, Ethereum gas costs were a topic of concern 6 months ago when people would sometimes get a transaction for $12 or $15 when it was just really really high. But now people are dealing with, in the past few weeks there's been times where you have gas costs of $100 for a transaction on Uniswap, which in my personal opinion is completely ludicrous, defeats the purpose of Ethereum in the first place, and it makes the system unusable outside of the privileged few who can afford the ludicrous sum of $100 USD to do a transaction. So everyone loves Ethereum. Everyone is hoping that Ethereum scales as quick as possible, but Ethereum is not scaling yet. And in the meantime, we need to find some options for scaling. Some people want to save on transactions, et cetera, et cetera. So Binance Smart Chain BSC is one of those options. Now, if you know BNB, which is the Binance kind of token, BNB token acts as Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain. So if you want to do a transaction, you need BNB, not Ethereum. And yeah, other than that, it's an interesting ecosystem. And Binance are really pushing it hard, and some of their kind of sponsored projects are launching on BSC. So anyway, this is not a an endorsement or a promotion for Binance. There's or Binance Smart Chain. There's no money. There's not a sponsored content. Just it's an option out there. So you know, if you're interested, then this is sort of how to access it. So if you want to access Binance Smart Chain, you need MetaMask, and you need some BNB tokens too, to do anything on it. Now, I don't have BNB tokens right now, but I'm simply about to set up my MetaMask so I can begin to interact with Binance Smart Chain. I have an airdrop coming my way for another project, which I will talk about in a future video perhaps. Anyway, so let's get to it. This is fairly simple, and when you're interacting with side chains of Ethereum, MetaMask can operate with a lot of them. And essentially, what you have to do is you have to create a custom network. So anyway, we're going to open up MetaMask here, and here we go. So how you do it is you click Account Options, and you go to, oh no, sorry, that's not where you do. You click up here, you go to Custom RPC, and you have to plug in the stuff. So here we go. So what you do is you type in Smart Chain, and you tab down, and you go HTTPS colon backslash backslash, and you go BSC dash data seed with two E's dot Binance.com. .org. And your chain ID is 56. And your currency symbol is BNB. Like I said, BNB acts as Ethereum on this chain. And the blockchain explorer is https colon backslash backslash BSC SCAN. So that's BSC scan.com. And you go save. And you go add network. Oh, sorry. So I've already added it here. So if you exit out of that, now you see here. Smart chain. There we go. Now, I've already added Matic. Matic was added in the very much the same way, just typing in the important data, the name and the ID, all what I just did. So Matic, you want to set it up, very much the same process. You just go to Matic, you find out the information, you say custom RPC, which is basically you're creating a custom network, and so Energy Web blockchain is here too. I've also done that. So if you're using Uniswap or if you're in Ethereum, you can buy a wrapped version of the Energy Web token called EWTB. Okay, and you can use that when you're in Ethereum mainnet, and you can store it in your wallet and use Ethereum to transact and whatnot. But if you want to store EWT itself in your MetaMask, you can. And now, it's sort of like a side chain to Ethereum, I guess. It's close enough to Ethereum that it works with MetaMask, but you have to do a custom RPC. So there it is, and you can store EWT on your MetaMask, even though it's not an ERC20 token. In Binance Smart Chain, they don't use ERC20 tokens. They use, I think it's BEC20 tokens, which are basically very, very, very close to ERC20 tokens, but not technically ERC20 tokens, so you can't keep them in Ethereum mainnet. So anyway, that's about it. It's set up here. Here you go. And this is, BNB, the token of choice. And down here, you want to add a token. You click add a token, you custom token, and put in the business for whatever token you are, adding into your wallet, or in my case, getting airdropped. I'm not going to do this right now, but if I get airdrop tokens, they'll come in here, and then if I want to be able to see them, I just put in the stuff, and then next, save, and that's how to do it. So anyway, yeah, like I said earlier, this is for Crypto Society, so give us a follow, find us on Telegram, find us on Medium, find us on Twitter, give us a follow, participate in the community, come ask questions. There's a lovely gang of us, and we're all down to help and all learn together in a nice positive environment. So we do AMAs with legit projects, and like Energy Web is one, and we've recently, here you see Ocean, we've recently got a confirmation for Ocean, so we'll be doing we've got an AMA coming up for Ocean, we've got one coming up for Bancor, a few others in the pipeline, and we just had VAIOT and CoVol, or Circuits of Value, Emblem Vault. So that was the last two AMAs that went successfully. So you can always get the recaps of the AMAs on our Medium page. And yeah, I don't know, I feel like I'm babbling now. This is a fairly simple and straightforward blockchain educational video. So, as always, yeah, do your own research and have fun. The blockchain industry is a fun place to play around and have some fun. So, yeah, best wishes. And of course, in these trying times, take care of yourself and take care of the people around you. All right, I'm out. Peace.